Today we're in Detroit, Michigan with a group called Drive. Drive is an Israeli-based accelerator. The reason why Israel is such a strong market for us is that a lot of innovation, a lot of startups are there. They're one of the highest per capita for startup companies. So you have VC companies, you have OEMs, and you have suppliers that are part of the automotive industry. And then on the other side of the table, you have the startups. To have a startup that has a key missing element or a key missing piece, and that aha moment where you're like, I think this is what we need, you're able to connect it, you're able to solve the solution that you've been trying to solve for a long time. And that's why we do it, and that's why they're also interested across the board.
We had the opportunity to pitch to a room full of very relevant and interesting people, and afterwards have one-to-one meetings. And those meetings are very important because one of the hurdles of startups is getting to the right person.
Autonomous vehicle is a whole new domain. It is cars, but there's a lot of innovation. I think the Israeli innovation culture is good to help look out of the box and come up with different ways to solve the problem. The biggest concern that consumers have is safety, and it's a huge challenge. We think we can help with that process. That's where we fit in.
As a goal for our company, we're looking for a POC, proof of concept, with a car maker, as well as open doors for investment for later stages and spreading the word. It's important to meet one-on-one, to have those face-to-face meeting. You can trust the person that sits next to you.
This is the startup life. You have to move fast. If you realize there's an opportunity, take advantage of it and use it. If you're interested of doing business in Michigan, this is going to be your soft landing. And having someone on the ground, understanding the culture, understanding the people, understanding the environment, knowing the right people for you to connect you, and basically make sure that when you're coming here, everything is going to be much faster.
This is great for the state and great for the region. It's about accelerating innovation, and that's what PlanetM is doing with our partners here in the state, and also why we're partnering with other people around the world.